Part 2 of my Christian and Child-Free by Choice series. This is not a space to bash children, parents, or people who do not have children for whatever reason. Any such comments will be deleted and the account blocked. So when I mention I am Christian and child-free, people often ask, what about Genesis 1:28, which is often used as a proof text to argue that all human beings are supposed to have children? And Genesis 1:28 says, God blessed them, Adam and Eve, and God said to them, be fruitful and multiply and fill the earth and subdue it and have dominion over the fish of the sea and over the birds of the air and over every living thing that moves upon the earth. Some people are definitely not going to like my response to this. But here's the thing. The creation stories, and I say stories because there are more than one in the book of Genesis, are myths. They don't explain a literal historical event that occurred. And these myths are the backdrop for the larger story of God's work through the people of Israel. And for Christians, the first few chapters of Genesis sets the stage for the larger work of Christ's life and meaning. But the biblical text does not, in fact, describe a scientific fact or a historical event. But for the sake of argument, let's say one does believe that the creation narratives describe literal historical events. That still doesn't mean that this verse is a command for each and every human being living in 2023. This verse was given to two people, and they have more than fulfilled the notion of filling and dominating the earth, since the global human population is at 8 million. I believe if people want kids, they should be supported in their goals. But let's not use Genesis 1:28 to try and convince people it's their God-given duty.